What team leaders understand about buyer decisions? When we look at buyer decisions, it's easy to focus on price, property features, or timing. But in actual transactions, the final decision rarely happens because of numbers alone. What team leaders understand is that the buyer move forward when they feel certain. Certainty does not mean perfect information. It means the buyer feels safe enough to say yes. And that feeling is influenced directly by your agent. Every explanation your agent gives, every post during a listing appointment, every response during negotiation, these small behaviors shape how the buyer feels. When the buyer feels confident, the decision happen faster. When a decisions happen faster, there is less resistance, fewer delays, and fewer second thought. And this is not about pressure. It's about emotional stability. Now, let's look at specific moments. During a listing appointment, the buyer is observing more than the property. They are measuring, does this agent understand the market? Can this agent guide me? If your agent explains the market clearly without rushing, the buyer feels clarity, and clarity creates confidence. When explaining price movement or inventory, tone matters. If the explanation feels defensive or uncertain, the buyer feels risk. If the explanation feels steady and grounded, the buyer feels safe. And safety reduces hesitation. Negotiation is emotional pressure. If your agent becomes reactive, the buyer absorbs that tension. But if your agent stays calm, measured, composed, the buyer feels protected. And when buyers feel protected, they move forward. Follow-up is not just checking in. It is reinforcing that the buyer made a smart move. A steady follow-up calls that clarifies next steps, removes doubt before doubt grows. The buyer chooses the agent who makes the decision feel safe. Buyers may not remember every detail of the explanation. They may forget exact numbers, but they remember how stable they felt during the decision. And that stability becomes trust, and trust becomes referrals. That is what strong team leaders quietly understand.